Ladies and gentlemen, we promised to release the results for the Year 12 examination on the 6th of April. I'm very happy to inform you that we are ready to release the provisional Year 12 exam results today. That means 5 days early. But before I do this, I want to commend and thank our exams assessment unit for delivering the results well ahead of time. A lot of work goes behind the scene when marking and processing results such as coding, marking, check marking, verification, data entry, analysis, and validating. The team managed to do all this ahead of time, and I thank them most sincerely for working tirelessly and efficiently. Our 2021 academic year comes to an end today, so we want to ensure that Year 12 students and teachers receive the results before they officially end 2021 school year, in fact today. With the release of results, we can now say that we have successfully ended the academic year, and now we can look forward to 2022 academic year. Early release of results will allow students and parents to discuss, prepare, and plan the next step, which is progressing to Year 13 or to repeat Year 12. Ladies and gentlemen, previous year's pass rates in Year 12 has always been lower than Year 13. This is expected because students who pass Year 12 progress to Year 13, whereas there is no screening of students from Year 11 to Year 12. And for Year 12 students, after such a long time, they sit for an exam. The pass rate for Year 12 this year is 65%, 10% lower than 2020. Some countries have experienced attrition rates of up to 25%. The average attrition rate in our Year 12 was 16%, an increase of 4% compared to previous year. At this point, I want to again emphasize, as we have done on numerous occasions, that 2021 has been an unprecedented year for all. Our students had to endure the difficulties that we perhaps cannot fully understand. There has been enormous learning loss. Consequently, the drop in the Year 12 pass rate for 2021 does not come as a surprise. It has been a disruptive year, and we all acknowledge that. For those students who did not pass the exams, please be rest assured that this is not the end. It is only a setback which should motivate you to do better. Treat this as an opportunity to rethink your options. Be more determined to achieve what you plan to achieve and go for it. The results released today are provisional and allow a 30-day window where students can ask for either a recount or remark. If they are not satisfied with the marks, I will encourage them to apply for recount or remarking. But I want to congratulate all 12,195 students who sat for the Year 12 examinations. While the results are provisional, we have identified 5 students who have the top marks in the Year 12 examination. And once again, just like Year 13, there are four of them are girls. There are 2 students who scored the highest mark in this year's exam with 398 marks out of 400. And these students, both these students, are from Jennerine College. From the top 5 students, 3 of them are from Jennerine College, 1 from Natambua High School, and 1 from Xavier College. And all 5 students are science students. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm pleased to announce that the national highest mark in maths, biology, chemistry, and physics are 100%. And I sincerely congratulate these students who make us all very proud. Another very interesting detail that I would like to share with you, which I also shared during the announcement of Year 13 results, is the 10 schools scoring highest marks, highest pass rate. Wanimakutu Secondary School and Mangondro Secondary School, that 100% pass rate. Xavier College, 99% pass rate. Jenaran College, 97% pass rate. Wandina Secondary School, 96% pass rate. Central College, Lotoka, 96% pass rate. St. Joseph Secondary School, 94% pass rate. Nuku Secondary School, 94% pass rate. Levuka Public High School, 93% pass rate. And Yetsen Secondary School, 93% pass rate. So 5 out of these 10 are rural or maritime schools. The following schools have scored highest pass rate in the districts. For Suva, Wanimakutu Secondary School had 100% pass rate. For Lotoka and Yasaus, Mangondro Secondary School had 100% pass rate. For Bayan Tavua District, Xavier College had 99% pass rate. For Nosori, Wandina Secondary School had 96% pass rate. For Eastern Division, Levuka Public High School had 93% pass rate. Madhuata Bua, Lambasa College had 93% pass rate. For Dakhan Drove, Napuka Secondary School had 91% pass rate. And for Ra, Nassau Central Secondary School had 91% pass rate. Nandrunga and Navosa, Thomas Baker Secondary School had 82% pass rate. So this is based on the districts. Now, whilst announcing today's results, I'm not only proud of our students, but I'm also very proud of our head of schools and teachers. At this stage, it reminds me of the photos and updates that my office used to receive, highlighting how teachers were strategizing learning and teaching remotely during the school closure. Traveling on horsebacks, crossing rivers, sleeping over in the villages, exchanging worksheets at the borders, and delivering worksheets through village headmen and RSL drivers. This was not easy, but our teachers persevered and they took all these actions at the ground level just for our students, and it shows the commitment and sheer dedication that helped our students to do well and also helped the nation to continue with the year 2021 school year and complete the curriculum. And today we are closing academic year 2021. And if the teachers did not give in their 100% during this period, I don't think we would have concluded year 2021. 2021 was a year full of uncertainties because of COVID-19, TC Cody, and flooding. Despite this, our students and teachers have done well and have displayed great level of resilience and perseverance. I take my hat off to our students and teachers who remain focused and handle the challenges bravely. Finally, I wish to once again thank all teachers, school management committee members, parents, communities, NGOs, our development partners, and other well-wishers for standing strong for the education of our children, and in whichever and whatever way they have contributed in the completion of 2021 school year. We should thank them for coming on board and helping us. It was not really easy, where we had to balance safety with opening of the schools. But we also have to thank our parents, because if our parents did not believe in education, they would not have sent their children to school. And because they sent their children to school, today we are talking about closing of school. That means there were children in the school, there were teachers in the school, teaching and learning did take place, And the results are now all out, and we can say that year 2021 will be closed today. While this month is very special for all of us, as we will observe Ramadan, Ram Navami, and Easter, very seldom we celebrate three religious festivals at once. So month of April is very special for all of us, and I'm asking all students to observe these special festivals with their families and loved ones and learn each other's culture and religion for peace and harmony. With this, ladies and gentlemen, I wish all students and teachers a happy and safe 1-week break, and I also encourage our head of schools as well as the school management committee to continue preparing the school for the new academic year 2022.